Hi guys, in this video we are gonna see how you can install a theme in WordPress website. Now let's say you have a WordPress website with a default design like this and you want to change the design of your site into something which look different like this. You can do that easily by installing a WordPress theme. So let's get started. First, let's see what is a WordPress theme. Basically, a WordPress theme is simply the design of your website, and if you want to change the design, all you have to do is to change a theme you like and then install it on your site. This is the site in which we are going to install a theme on WordPress. So to install a theme in WordPress, there are two methods. The first method is open your dashboard of this WordPress site. Okay, access your admin panel. Enter your username and password and click on the login button. Click on the login button. This is the dashboard of your website. Now first visit site. This is the current theme of your site. Now to change this, open your dashboard, just click on appearance, click on themes. This theme is by default. Now delete this theme. Okay, click on the add new button. Where you have a different theme which you can install on WordPress. Select the one you like and you can search for it by entering the name of theme. So I am going to search for the theme called Lovecraft. Now click on the preview button. Click on install button. So let's click activate. And you can see your theme has been activated. So now if you go to your website, you can see that the website design has changed. This is how you can install a theme in WordPress. Thank you.